Hi there. My name is Bex. I'm one of the designers here at OneTap Connect, and today I'm going to show you how to onboard your team. From your account dashboard, you can head to the users page, and from here you have a few different options. If you have a very large team, you can import a comma-separated values list to add them all at once, or you can individually send out email invitations with short contact forms for your team members to fill out themselves. Otherwise, you can manually fill out that same short form on their behalf. As an optional field, you can upload a profile picture, you can add a job title, but all you really need to get started is their first name, last name, a unique email address that no one else on your account uses, and a cell phone number. Once you hit save, they will show up as an active user on your account, and so long as they're an active user, they can download the OneTap Connect mobile app, log in using the email address that you saved to their profile, and they can start using their card immediately. Under default settings, they can also update their own profile information, and this includes being able to change out their profile picture. If you'd like to limit this access, simply switch this off and click Save. But keep in mind that if you limit their ability to edit their own information, you will no longer be able to send email invitations. And that's it.